So, hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in to Simply Steph. That's me. If you are new here, allow me to say welcome. Welcome. And if you are returning, welcome back, guys. It is my favorite part of the month. One of them anyway. And it is because we have the GlitzGlamBox. And I know I'm super late. And yeah, if you want to see what's going on with this subscription and my thoughts about it, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not, rate the video thumbs up, and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thanks. Okay guys, yes, so GlitzGlamBox. If you don't know about this subscription, I will tell you it is one of my favorite. Definitely my top 5. Sorry, I'm putting away my brushes. I apologize. Your girl is super tired. It is like a few hours away from me picking up the car. I had to rent a car and go down the shore. My butt should have been sleeping because I have a 2-hour drive ahead of me. And I was up filming last night because the night before I was only able to get a few videos done. Now, that being said, all my boxes are coming on the days I won't be here. I have my neighbor picking them up, but it's still, you know, usually they come the end of the second week, and now they're coming the beginning. So, all right, GlitzGlamBox, sorry. Whoops, there you go. GlitzGlamBox. It is a $15 subscription. There's $2.99 for shipping. You will get 4 or 3 to 5 full-size products, I want to say, and you always get a lash and some type of glitter sparkly product. Whether that be straight glitter, it does come in a mailer like this. I've never really had any issues. Nothing's ever broken. And there you have that. It always comes with a card. Guys, I have been having a heck of a time keeping this on this look. My eyes have been tearing like crazy. Probably you're going to hear it in another video. Before I get into this, please allow me just to introduce myself. Again, my name is Stephanie, and I am the host of the channel. This is everyone's channel. You know, if you come here and you hit that button, you are immediately part of the family, and you are treated as such. So it's everyone's channel. That's what I say. It's a beauty channel, if you haven't guessed already, and we do all things beauty, not just, you know, hair, skincare, hair care, makeup, you know, that kind of thing. Although we do that, and we do it a lot. Beauty for the mind, the body, and the soul. And because, you know, I say that because if I can make you smile, if I can make you laugh, or, you know, forget about the world for just a little while, oh my God, that rhymes, then all the better. You know, the whole time using cosmetics and beauty, anything to do with beauty, I'm all for it. I do have a few new subscriptions coming, guys. GlitzGlamBox. This month it is Glitz Glow Party. That is the theme right here. You can see that. Yes, I have one nail painted and the rest are not. Look at how short these are, guys. Oh my God, my poor nails, they're breaking. Anyway, oh, super sale coming soon. Okay, so that's cool. And if you don't know, I do have a code. The owner of this company has her own brand, and it's called Hot Kitty Beauty at hotkittybeauty.com, and I have a code. It is just the word Steph, S-T-E-P-H, in all caps. I will leave it here, and it will save you some money at checkout over there on her website, and I will leave the link to that as well. So this again, $15 and $2.99 for shipping. And I have some lashes on that are bothering the heck out of me. Oh my gosh, Chanel, I need to go over and get some of your lashes from last month's box. I can't believe I lost that one. Anyway, I digress. Chanel, I want to apologize to the CEO. I want to apologize for not getting this up. I usually put this up right away when I get it. Things have been crazy in the Whitman house, okay? Just so you know. They always have a card. Always. I never go without having a card. It does have the prices on it. All right, so I'm looking at 4 products, and the first thing on the list, I'm going to go down the line. This is Beauty Creations. Don't let the super bright packaging fool you. These lip duos will be on your everyday faves. Swatch them. You won't be sorry. Okay, so this is a lippy from Beauty Creations, as you can see. All right, there's the packaging. Let me take it out of the plastic. What's cute? This is Bossy. Okay, this is in the shade Bossy. And yeah, that's me for sure. I like the bright packaging though. Okay, so what is this? Beauty Creations Bossy. I think I need to put my glasses on, guys, so I can read what it says. It has the bunny. It is good for, I think, 24 months, and yeah, the ingredients are on the back, okay? So as we pull it out, oh, I know, I remember. Okay, so it is a lipstick. and you do have a gloss or some kind of glitter that goes over it, I believe. So here's the component that it comes in. It's like a little tray. Now, this is the lip color itself, and I need something on my lips, so I may very well try this. This is Dare to Be Bright is the name of the, I guess, collection, and it is in the shade Attention Seeker. Okay, let's see. The packaging sure is bright, but I remember her swatching. Oh yeah, it does not. This does not go with the lip balm. Let me just swatch it real quickly. Okay, it is a liquid lip, and there it is right there. And yes, it doesn't go with. Does it go with my look? No. Ooh, right in the hair. That's great stuff. Yeah, not at all. But let me see. Well, maybe the lip gloss will. Okay, so there you. That's the lippy. Okay. Now, I'm wondering, does it dry down? Duos will be your everyday fave. Swatch them and you won't be sorry. So they're duo. So you have the color right there, and again, these both are for $9. And here is the here is the outside. Okay, so I'm liking that, and we're gonna. I was so wrong. So let me. Oh, pretty. I wonder if it's sticky. No, I don't think so. Maybe. I don't know. I just put that stuff on. I just put the oil on. Let's just see. Let's keep it on and see if it's sticky. Like sticky things, yeah, I'm not a fan. But if this is, if this dries down, that's a very pretty color. I do like that. That's a me color. All right, so there you have that, and then that is again $9. Now we do have the lash. We have 4 products this month, guys. Normally, sometime, well, most of the time you get like a palette or something. You know, not all the time, but okay. So these are from Cara Beauty. We have seen them in there before. There they go, right there. I hope you can see, because okay. So there you go. They're fab, and these are nice. The bands are a little too thick for me, I think, though. I don't know. Yeah, I don't think I would be able to wear these because I have hooded eyes, guys. So you see that? I mean, they are not like super. I've seen thicker, but I'm loving those lashes that were in from Hot Kitty Beauty. I have to get some because these Ardell's are bothering me. Oh my gosh, what am I doing with Ardell's? I don't know. Of all the lashes I have, I grabbed these. I don't know why. And these are $5.99. Okay, it says Cara Beauty. You know the drill. Get your lash fix with these fluffy faux mink lashes. That's a good one, Janelle. You know the drill. Okay, so we do have this, which is from Tropical Vibes Mascara, Romantic Beauty, $16. You could have gotten this. There was a pick of the draw. There was the curl, the length or volume. Now, we did get one in a prior subscription, and it was curl. I do have that one. So I did reach out and ask for the length because I am all down for trying it. Matter of fact, I'm going to probably take this on vacation with me so that I can give it a go. All right, so this is, matter of fact, watch this. My bag is over there. There you go. It's me. I totally had it on there and it rolled off. It's me. I'm not a pod person. The Body Snatchers did not come and get me. I definitely dropped something. Oh my gosh, it's totally me. And that again is worth $16 that I just dropped on the floor. But it's right there by my bag, so I'll put it in there. Okay. Now this I'm really excited about, and I will tell you why. Hold please. All right, so I did use these in this, not this one, but one's almost like it. I wonder if they're the same. I don't know. I don't think so. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. But I love doe color brushes. They are so good. Not kidding, guys. These are 2. There was a set of 4 we did get with, I believe this. I don't know where we got these. I don't know. I think these may look different. Is there anything on there that says what they're for? Like certain eye look? No. But doe color brushes, guys, if you're looking for an inexpensive set of brushes that works, like if you're starting out, you want to build up your collection, you just want to add to the collection, I highly recommend doe color brushes. I use them almost every single look. At least one brush in every look. Sometimes, matter of fact, you know, I very well might just take these down with me. And I do have a set that's packed in there that I, have used. It's my Luxie set. And listen, I like these just as much as I like Luxie. Not kidding in one bit. So these are valued at $9.99. It says pump up the base on your eye look with the perfect blending quartet brush set. Okay, so there are 4 of them, and I love me some brushes. Y'all know. Hi, my name is Stephanie, and I am a brushaholic, so getting better at that. But okay, so, and they are individually wrapped. Even so, they come in these things. That way I don't touch them, but that's fine. Oh, goody. Oh, goody. Oh, goody. Oh, goody. I think these are different. I don't think these are the same. Oh, look at that one. That one looks like it'll be good. See, I have little eyes, so I need something to get like right in here. And oh my gosh, that one is perfect. Perfect. That one's going to fit. I don't want to get it dirty. It's going to fit right in there. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And then, oh yes. Oh yes. Okay, so these are awesome. And then you have a pointed blender right here. You have a fluffy, like almost a flat shader kind. It's like a little flat. And then this one is definitely for, these are different. Oh my gosh, so now I have like the whole set. Yay, thank you, Chanel. All right, these are going down the shore with me. I'm taking them right now. So there you have it, guys. That is for the month of August, the GlitzGlamBox. So let me know down below what you think of it. Do you get the subscription? You know, listen, it comes to $17.99, guys, and you know, I have to say, I have never been disappointed with this subscription. Some months are better than others, like every subscription box, but I've never gotten a bad month. You know, let's just put it that way. I love the subscription. It is one of my favorite. If I've been with them forever, and I am not going anywhere anytime. Matter of fact, I'm never going. I'm staying with them till I'm old and gray, girl. So let's recap. You have the brushes, you have the lashes, and the theme is Glitz Glow Party. So everything is very bright, if you'll notice, okay? The lashes and the brushes, which loving the brushes. The lashes, not so much, but the lippy, which there you have it, and it has dried down. Oh yeah, so nothing. Okay. So I'm liking that. Now the lip gloss is one of those really wet lip glosses. It's pretty much clear. I don't see that kind of maybe looks. Does it have a shift of yellow in there? I don't know. But anyway, it's very nice. I like the lippy, so I'm gonna bring that set with me. Matter of fact, let's put it right over there. With all my stuff has to be put in the bag, guys. Okay, so I was gonna do a bag. You know what's in my bag. I think I'm gonna record it when I get back. When I get to the hotel. When I get there, I'm going to like show you my bag when I'm unpacking what I packed, because I forgot to do it, and I apologize. That was my mistake. We got the mascara. We have that I threw over there and it fell, but it's going in my bag. We have the Lippy Duo, which I also put over there, and then I'm taking with me. And we have the Cara lashes, which I don't know if I will use these. I mean, I could probably get away with them in a pinch. But like if I don't have any kind of eye look on, I just want to throw a pair of lashes on and go al natural. I haven't been known to do that before. And then we have the brushes, which these are going with too. So, like I say, it's one of my favorite subscriptions. I also, remember guys, I also have a code with the owner, has her own brand. It's called Hot Kitty Beauty. I will leave the link to her website down below. If you want to check out her items, she has wonderful products. I have 2 out of her 3 palettes, and I am working on getting the 3rd palette. Yeah, they have mystery boxes and everything. So I do have if you go in my playlist, you will see I unboxed, she sent me a mystery box for review. I went over all the products. I utilized every product in the box. And yeah, it was wonderful. So yeah, I mean, if check out GlitzGlamBox, and by all means, please check out Hot Kitty Beauty, and make sure if you do buy something off the website at Hot Kitty Beauty, please use my code. I don't make anything off it, guys. It's just to save you some money. It is in all caps the word Steph, STEPH, and that will save you at checkout. Okay. All right, guys, until I see you in the next one, please remember, if you're going through something, you know, if you are not feeling right, please talk to somebody about it. You know, don't hold it in. It can just get worse. Also, if someone, you know, asks you to say, hey, can you have a minute? Please say yes to them and listen, because it could very well be the thing that they need, just to vent. And always, like I say, and I have been forever, all of what I just said, please remember, in this crazy mixed up world, guys, stay safe. Until the next one, see ya.